Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out behind me. It's a beautiful truck. I've owned it once before, about 3 years ago. Got it back now, just reconditioned it. And now here's what we're looking at. This is a 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI 4x4. Lifted with a rough country suspension lift kit system on a gorgeous set of wheels. Check these out. Let's take a look at them. These are ARKON 22 by 12 chrome wheels. Beautiful two-piece wheel. You can see the rivets right there that hold the back side of the wheel on. Wrapped around a 35, 12, 50, 22-inch Atlas mud terrain tire. Beautiful truck. It's got a full exhaust system on it. I'll show you guys in a second. It turns full right, full left, no rubbing. It's a Laramie. It's an awesome truck. 1500 Laramie edition. That means leather everything. Got the original engine cover in the back there. The bed's in good shape. Rough country shocks. Underside is good. Clean. All really clean. Super, super nice. Here's the back side. Go to the inside. Absolutely beautiful. Truck has 101,000 miles on it. 101.2. Seats are in good shape. Carpets are in good shape. Underside's in good shape. No issues. The seats are beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous seats. Power seats, memory seats, adjustable foot pedal controls, steering wheel knobs. You name it, it's got it. So right here, four-wheel drive, aftermarket doubled-in JVC stereo, cooled seats, heated steering wheel. You name it, it has it. Ice cold AC. The center console with all the things you got in there. Sunroof. If I can reach it. God, I gotta get up inside the truck. It's kind of tall. So sunroof, there you go. Sunroof works great. Driver's seat, passenger seat's in good shape. You got a whole bunch of goodies on this truck. I love it. It's easy to drive. Our automatic windows right there. Here's the VIN number for you right there. Boom. And it's just a cool truck. It really is. You don't see this blue that often, and with the chrome it clashes really well. Pump the hood right here. It's a little messy under here. I don't know. They really do some Spectra cold air intake system sitting over the fender well right there. And that's it. That guard came down. We need to put that back up. But anywho, it runs and drives great. Hood's in good shape. Overall, really, really nice truck. Super clean. The paint is, I'd say the paint is an 8 out of a 10. And it's nice, it really is. So if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna rev it up so you can hear it. If you have any questions, call 540-898-3025 or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. I'll put the link in the description at the end. I'm gonna stand outside and hold the phone so you can hear it. Ready? Sounds really tough. Let's go for a ride and we'll end the video. Power everything right there. Trying to do this simple-handedly. Let me hold the left side of the phone. Here we go. Full right, full left. That's full left. There's full right. And yeah, that's it. So, hope you guys like it. Wood grain throughout with chrome clashing. It's really nice. Sweating like crazy. But this is Mark signing out. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe so you can be updated with all the new videos that we do. If you're still here, thanks for watching. I appreciate your contribute to the channel and comment and like and all that jazz. See you later.